friend, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I have something really exciting to share with you. As a sim racer, I know that immersion is king. That's why I've been on a mission to find the perfect audio solution. And today, I'm thrilled to review the Kiwi Designs clip-on headphones and see if they're a game changer for sim racers like myself. Let's dive right in. Before we dive into the review, I want to let you know that Kiwi Designs sent me the clip-on headphones to try out and share my honest opinions with you. It's important to note that no money's changed hands for this collaboration, and Kiwi Design has no creative control over the content of this video. As always, all the opinions expressed here are completely my own, based on my own personal experience with the product. I believe transparency is crucial, so I want to assure you that I'll provide an unbiased review, highlighting both the strengths and any areas for improvement that I come across during my testing. My goal is to give the most accurate and helpful insights so that you can make an informed decision. One of the standout features of the Kiwi Design clip-on headphones is their unique clip-on design. A spring-loaded catch on each stalk allows the headphones to be quickly and easily individually mounted on a Quest 2 head strap. As someone who finds inner-ear headphones distracting, these clip-on headphones provide a fantastic alternative. They're incredibly lightweight, easy to adjust, and so soft that I can barely even feel them snuggling my ears. When it comes to sim racing, audio quality is paramount, providing details of the road surface, engine revs, and rival vehicle position relative to yourself. The Kiwi Design clip-on headphones deliver impressive sound performance, elevating the immersive experience to a whole new level, far beyond the Quest 2's built-in speakers. The clarity, richness, and spatial awareness provided by these headphones truly enhance the realism of the virtual racing world. Before discovering the Kiwi Design clip-on headphones, I relied on my Razer Kyra Pro headset whenever I used my Quest 2 VR. This didn't provide the immersion I desired, since the Razer headset frequently slipped or moved whenever I adjusted the position of my Quest 2, due to the Quest 2's poor default head strap. The clip-on designs of these headphones mostly solve that problem beautifully. They stay securely in place even during intense gaming moments. The Kiwi Design clip-on headphones truly strike a balance between comfort and performance. The lightweight construction ensures long gaming sessions without discomfort. The audio quality is exceptional. Whether it's the revving engines, screeching tyres, or ambient track sounds, these headphones capture every detail with precision. So let's talk about my experience with the Kiwi Design clip-on headphones. Remember, I don't give arbitrary scores or rankings on this channel. I'm just interested in seeing if something improves my sim racing experience. The Kiwi Design clip-on headphones are a lightweight alternative to using regular headphones for your VR activities. The stalks are very rugged, with an adjustment system which works up and down, forward and back, in and out, with an internal mechanism holding the headphones firmly in their oriented position. The padding is so comfortable that I feel that Kiwi Design may actually be hiring pixies to weave marshmallow and clouds into magical ear pillows, which your ears will thank you for during extended gaming sessions. The audio produced by these headphones is excellent. Although not rivaling the immersive audio quality of a full-size high-end gaming headset, such as the Sony Pulse or the previously mentioned Razer Kyra Pro, the trade-off for comfort and convenience is worth it, as the detail and power produced here are evidence of the Kiwi Design's clip-on headphones punching above their weight and providing an excellent, enjoyable experience. Although these headphones are wired, the wires themselves are just the right length to be kept out of the way, with included Velcro straps holding the wires flush against the headset fascia. An L-type audio jack ensures that you don't have anything annoying poking out of the headset. It's not all marshmallow and rainbows with these headphones, however. I do feel that these headphones are designed primarily to be used in conjunction with third-party head straps, particularly those made by Kiwi Designs, as the headphones can be a little awkward to mount on the soft default head strap. I also had a couple of instances of the headphones becoming detached from the default head strap during moments of sudden head movements. Additionally, if like me your chair has side head supports, then the headphones can be knocked off by the default strap by an impact on these supports when looking around unnaturally, such as checking a blind spot when rejoining a track. This could probably be fixed by making the grooves in the clips deeper, but this in turn would make it more difficult to clip the headphones onto more solid head straps. The design choice is a no-brainer. It's worth noting that I've deliberately not made any attempt to review these headphones with a third-party strap. As always on this channel, I've been running some experiments with the Kiwi Designs clip-on headphones with other mounting options and other devices. Look out for videos on that subject soon. Also the packaging, let's talk about that. Lots of brands want to see their products in the background of YouTube videos, or want them to really stand out in the shops. Since Kiwi Design has an online shop and all of their promotional photos are of the products themselves, the product packaging is brown. I mean, a lot of brown. At first glance, it's probably the ugliest product packaging I've ever seen. It's so brown. If the wisdom of Drax has taught us anything though, it's that it's what's on the inside that counts the most. The Kiwi Design clip-on headphones box is really sturdy, made from a rigid, dense cardboard, and inside is one of the thickest vac-formed blister trays I've ever seen. This combination makes for a really tough package, which you can be confident will safely spirit your product to you in one piece. I told you earlier that I wouldn't be giving you a score, just a practical assessment. I remember the first time I hit the asphalt in VR on my PC clearly because I became instantly addicted. I can't race on my PC now without VR, without that level of added immersion, and now that's gone a step further. The Kiwi Designs clip-on headphones have given me a better, more immersive sound without the distraction of feeling anything other than a gentle softness on my ears. I can no longer envision myself racing in VR without these headphones. This isn't hyperbole, they really are that good. Sure, they don't sound like big brand 3D headphones, and on the default head strap they can be a little bit fiddly. But this is a product which has been designed by someone who has seen a specific issue which needs to be overcome, and has done just that. So will I be using these clip-on headphones again? The simple answer is that the Kiwi Design clip-on headphones are now a permanent part of my PC sim racing setup. I want to say a big thank you to Kiwi Design for taking a chance on a small channel and sending me this product for review. I hope I can review more of their products again in the future. Thank you of course to our Patreon for supporting the channel in their unique way. And thank you to the Discord members for being there when I need someone to give me a kick up the butt. Until next time, be good to yourselves, be good to those around you. Bye bye for now.